Hello friends, one picture I see in your textbook, page number 43. You can also see your textbook. The factors increasing temperature on earth are seen, and we can easily understand the reasons why the temperature is increasing. We can say it a global warming. The constant increase in the temperature on the earth is called global warming. The simple definition you can understand. I repeat, constant increase in the temperature on the earth is called global warming. First, as according to the picture I see, the ozone layer has been damaged and ultraviolet effect and rays are coming to the earth, so it is dangerous. Second, the refrigerator, air conditioners, both are increase in use. I discussed in the global warming that we are suffering more summer, so we are using air conditioner, I know, but here you understand the constant use of air conditioner is not a good thing. Is it good thing? No, because we have already understood that what is called chlorofluorocarbons and methane and carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, nitrous oxide. We have understood about it, so we need to understand that use of the refrigerator and use of the air conditioner more is increasing proportion of chlorofluorocarbons. We need to think about it now. Next point, which other factor I can see in the picture? Gases are being emitted in so many factories and thermal power stations. They are releasing poisonous gases. Constantly use of fuel, coal, to generating electricity is also creating pollution, and with the use of this fuel we are increasing temperature. Proportion of the carbon is increasing. It's not a good thing. We need to understand this, and here it is becoming problematic for us. So these are the basic reasons for increase in temperature on earth and are factors for global warming, right? Then instead of this, what can we see? What can we do? We can use non-conventional energy resources. Now you can ask me question, what is the meaning of non-conventional energy resources? You can ask me question. Non-conventional energy resources means, I repeat, non-conventional energy resources means the resources which are not brought in use since longer period of time. The resources which are not brought in use since longer period of time is called non-conventional. Conventional means regularly in use, and non-conventional means not in regular use. Thermal energy, geothermal energy, to generate the energy from the land. Hot water spring, we can see it is the geothermal energy. Wind energy, we know the wind energy. Windmills we can see near the Somnath and Dwarka. is the part of wind energy. Solar energy, we know very well. At so many houses, we can see the solar plates have been installed. It is useful for us. It's a very good thing, right? Thereafter, biogas from our released waste. Human release the daily, will release the waste. Wasted green products like some vegetables, some flowers, so many green products are used in producing natural fertilizer, and with that we can generate electricity, we can generate gas, biogas. And another one is tidal energy, or tidal energy. Usually tides and ebbs are natural process in the coastal line of ocean or the sea. So when the tides occurs on the coastal area, the turbines are being installed. As the waves of the water come to the coastal area, it immediately come in contact with the turbine. As being thrown on the land, it will come in contact with the turbine. It will generate electricity. So in that way, the tidal energy will start to work. So you can understand, these all things are free, not in our requirement, not in our hands to control. And these natural elements we can use to generate electricity to fulfill our needs. That is natural resources, free of cost. Okay, next point is measure to prevent global warming. There are so many steps we can take. You can understand. First one is reduce use of sources which release CO2. Right? Which not increase CO2. You think about that. Second, afforestation means increase the forest, and conservation of forest means save the forest. Third, growing trees. Afforestation means growing trees is required to reduce carbon dioxide. On one side I said reduce the uses those resources which generate more carbon dioxide. On the other side, we plant green trees which reduce the proportion of the carbon dioxide because trees are absorbing carbon dioxide. The fourth one is avoid use of plastic. Plastic is a dangerous thing. So the government has already adopted policy, no use plastic, right? Because it is non-destroyed element. So as time passes, it generates more poisonous gases by burning the plastic. Optimum use of manure and pesticides. Natural pesticides are reducing insect from the land, and try to use natural manure which is made from at the production time of biogas, right? So optimum means as required you use, but chemical fertilizer not required to use. Instead of that, we can use the biofertilizer, right? It's a possible. Thereafter, adopt organic farming that I explained, green manure and cattle manure, as well as Natural manure, we can use it. Okay. Cattle manure means cow dung. We'll use to make the natural manure. Green manure is called compost. Whichever the fruit we use, the left wasted part of the fruit will use to convert into the green manure. It is called compost also. It can be used as a fertilizer. Add biotic in food for animals. Due to that, the fertility and the productivity of the milk of the animal will increase. Thereafter, optimum use of household appliances. Household appliances means air conditioner and others, as like refrigerator. See, in present day we use refrigerator more. We use air conditioner more. It means we use it, but it's creating more problem. That is the point here we want to discuss. Thereafter, proper use of means of transportation. Means parts of the transportation, like vehicles which are releasing gases, which are using fuel. That one we need to reduce. Thereafter, check the growth of human population. That is the required. We must need to control the human population. In family, if the kid is coming, nobody says that to kill. But to increase the number of the kids is not good. Design the building with the sufficient ventilation to save electricity. See, sufficient ventilation means air and light. More proportion if come in the home than the use of the tube light and fan will reduce. That want to say. Increase in use of eco-friendly paper. Which paper not create more pollution? We try to use it. That is required. Grow plants and trees around your house. Start to plant the trees. Grow the plants more and more surrounding your house is more required. Make optimum use of natural resources. Optimum means as required. We can think. Only required use. Thereafter, use petroleum product judiciously. Judiciously means only when we need to use it, we can use it. Otherwise, we not use it. It is called as only required, judiciously, right? Thereafter, make optimum use of natural resources. I had discussed. Natural resources means land, petrol, diesel. Nothing is produced by us, but by nature. But it is non-reproductive things. If the petroleum will end, what will we do? So use when it is required, otherwise don't use it. Use water carefully. As I told earlier, the water cycle is in danger. If the water will not come, will not go down inside the land, will not create the level of the groundwater up. So how can it come out from the wells and rivers? So in future the rain proportion will add. So it means very clearly, use every natural thing only required, otherwise don't misuse. Practice rainwater harvesting. Whenever the rainwater comes, try to collect and preserve. So the every place, wherever the flowing of the rainwater uselessly is required to collect. That is required. And last, increase the use of CNG and non-conventional resources of energy. We need to think. Increase use of CNG means compressed natural gas, which is used in the vehicles. We need to use it more instead of the petrol and diesel, so the poisonous gas emission will stop, right? So these are the things which we have to think now, right? Here I completed measures to prevent the global warming. Okay, my friends.